everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another product review video. Now the company Ebin, I think it's Ebin or Ebin New York, one of those, but they are a very popular company and I had reached out to them late last year, so they sent me a couple of goodies, not too much, but I am thankful for that. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So before I do my makeup, I wanted to demonstrate how to use these products and then give you guys my final honest review about the products that were sent to me. Now, as I stated in the intro, I did reach out to this company last year, late last year, probably like November, December. And in December, I did receive the package last December. So this video is well overdue, very, very well overdue. But it's given me some time to actually use the product throughout this whole entire year. So I basically told them that I was a YouTuber and that I was interested in testing out their products because I had already been using one, which is one of their edge controls, and they were kind enough to send me some goodies. Now, it's not a whole lot, but it's a start, and it's a part of their hair care. So this product is new, but it's not new. It's not new for me anymore, but some of you guys probably didn't even know existed. So the products that they sent me were two of their edges like spray. So this one is a Forever Ultra Remover Edge Resetting Spray in the scent Peppermint. And this one is the Forever Ultra Remover Tea Tree Oil Daytime Build-Up Rejuvenator. So as you guys can see, I have definitely been using both of these products, mainly this one. But I'm definitely going to get some more because I do like it. Now I'm going to demonstrate both of them. The main one that I need to use today is this Daytime Build-Up Rejuvenator because as you guys can see, I have some dried up edge control and all that stuff. So I definitely need to use this. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use it, tell you guys how to use it, and then later on, I'm going to give you guys my review. So for the Tea Tree Oil Daytime Build-Up Rejuvenator, basically the directions on both of these bottles are the same. So it says directions: apply appropriate amounts, gently rub it and wipe it out with wet towel, style as desired. And this one, spray about 1 to 3 inches away from your face, gently rub it and wipe it out with wet towel, and style as desired. So same directions for both. So I'm gonna use this one first. And I'm just gonna spray it along, my edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and rub the product in and try to get as much of that buildup away. I have dried up makeup in here too. I need to wash my hair. So now I have my towel. I didn't wet it. I just put water in my water bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. And then I'm going to take the wet part and I'm just going to gently rub that product out. So now this is the Edge Resetting Spray in Peppermint. I really don't need to use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing.
Ryan Little.
Alright, so now my edges are clear from buildup and reset. set. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges so I can get started on my makeup. I'm gonna get off camera for that, but I will be back to let you guys know a little bit more about the product, just a tad bit more, and also give you guys my review. All right, so I am back. I have completed my makeup, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and jump back into this product. Now, both of these sprays are retailed for $9.99 on their website. So I will leave the company's website link down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out. But both of them are $9.99. Now, I'm not too sure if this product is in beauty supply stores, because most beauty supply stores do carry this brand, but I have not actually went to the beauty supply store to see if this product is there. But if you guys want to check your local BSS store, then feel free. Come back to this video and let me know if you found it. So I really do like both sprays. I specifically like the daytime build-up rejuvenator one, which was the tea tree oil. I love that one, and it really does remove that old edge control buildup. The other one, the peppermint one, is just the edge resetting spray. I do like that one, but out of the two, I definitely like the tea tree oil one. Now, I did forget to mention that they also had sent me their edge brush. So this has definitely came in handy. Definitely. So I do want to thank Ebin for sending me these two products. I really do hope to work with them again in the future. So yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.